Bangkok is a city that never stops moving, but here in Talat Phlu, time seems to slow down. It's one of the city's oldest neighborhoods, filled with history, food, and a community vibe that you can still feel in the air. Today, I'm taking you on a walk and a little train ride through Talat Phlu, so you can see why this place has quietly charmed me. I'm starting at Wongwian Yai station. From the busy roundabout outside, you'd never guess there's a working railway tucked behind these shops. It's a single track, small and wonderfully old-fashioned. The kind of place that reminds you travel used to be simpler. This ride to Talat Phlu is just 3 minutes and only costs 3 baht. No tickets with seat numbers, no rush. Just hop on, find a spot, and watch Bangkok streets roll by. And here we are, Talat Phlu railway station. If you've seen the film How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, you'll recognize this spot. It's where Grandma and M walk home together in the story. Across the road, 2-story shophouses still double as homes and small businesses. Life here moves at its own pace and I love it. Just a short walk away is this beautiful Bougainvillea Arch near the Klong Sam Ray Bridge. The purple and pink blooms are like nature's welcome sign. It's another Lan Ma filming location. But watch out for traffic, the road is narrow here. Talat Phlu is dotted with beautiful temples, each with its own story. Together, they're living reminders of the neighborhood's deep history and faith. Talat Phlu isn't just temples, it's also home to Suan Mosque. The name comes from the betel orchards that once covered the area. The Muslim community here dates back generations, some with roots in Pattani, others from as far as India. The street outside is lined with little food stalls, and if you're lucky, you might find the famous Badin cake, a rich Thai Muslim dessert with raisins and sweet gourd. And of course, you can't come here without eating. The market is a street food paradise. Crispy pork belly with rice, steaming noodle bowls, old school Thai desserts. Most of the customers are locals, and that's part of what keeps it so authentic. I like to wander, follow the smells, and stop wherever something looks too good to pass up. Walking through Talat Phlu feels like stepping into a Bangkok that's still connected to its roots. Part history, part movie set, and part food heaven. If you want to experience a slower, more personal side of the city, this is where you'll find it.